On you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose. If you have a head covering on now and it does not represent religious purpose, please remove it now. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions and mute your devices. Court is in session. Good morning.
Your Honor, would you like the interpreter to translate that?
You can.
I don't know if there's anyone present who needs.
Let me ask Mr. Ruben Medina Lavara. Good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself?
Señor Ruben.
Buenos
Medina.
días. Sí, soy yo. Buenos días.
Yes, that is
Good.
my name, Ruben.
You can translate.
Thank you,
Please.
Your Honor. Buenos días y bienvenidos todos a la sala del honorable juez Sean B. Perkins. Le pedimos a todos, por favor, que cuando estemos en sesión no se permite que estén ni fumando, ni manejando, ni comiendo, ni tomando algo. Tienen que estar vestidos adecuadamente para la corte, como que estuvieran aquí en persona. No se permite que tengan la cabeza tapada, ni con pañuelo, ni con gorra, ni cachucha, a menos que sea por razones religiosas. Le pedimos que mantengan sus dispositivos silenciados hasta que llamen a su caso y le pedimos que por favor respeten estas reglas. Gracias y bienvenidos.
All right. Well, good morning to everyone. I'm going to do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in.
Buenos días a todos. Yo voy a tratar de llamar a los casos en la manera más rápida y eficiente posible. También voy a llamar a los casos en el orden que se han presentado esta mañana.
Is Axel Omar here?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, sir.
I'm not as well.
Case number?
This is one of the cases I was assigned, Your Honor, but it sounds like he speaks English.
Con dificultad un poco.
Oh, I speak it with difficulty.
Okay, this is the one. Okay, very good.
Yes.
He's Omar Cotto, Garcia Cotto.
Así que usted es señor García Coto, ¿no?
Sí,
Yes.
All right, buenos dias.
buenos días.
Good morning.
Morning.
All right, Ms. Villarreal, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Evelyn Villarreal, Certified Court Interpreter, C3822.
And can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that, to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. This is the city of Detroit versus Ruben Marcirio Medina Lavoria, case number SP 1928367, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Kathy Murphy for the defendant, Your Honor.
That would be the interpreter. Thank you, Ms.
Oh, okay. He was not assigned to me, but I'm more than happy to help, Your Honor. El señor Rubén Mauricio Medina, sí, mantenga su micrófono abierto.
Okay.
Okay. Your Honor, can we call the case again?
This is the city of Detroit versus Ruben Marciano Medina Lavoria, case number SP 1928367, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Rubén Mauricio Medina Lovera. Número de caso SP-1928-367, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Ok. Sí. El número sí es el que voy a confirmar que el que él dijo P1928-367.
Yes, I'd like to confirm the number that he said, SP 19-28367.
Yes.
Sí,
Okay.
okay.
And if I may, Judge, Gerald Ferry, House Counsel P44630 on behalf of Mr. Lovera.
Y con su permiso, su señoría, habla Gerald Ferry, abogado para el acusado, número de abogado P44630.
Okay, good morning. Today is the date and time is set for an arraignment on the bench warrant for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Y buenos días, este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la lectura de cargo para una orden de arresto que tiene el acusado. ¿Qué dice usted, abogado, acerca de la lectura de cargos?
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment on the bench warrant, we would waive the formal reading, stand mute, move to set aside any warrants.
Su señoría, para el propósito de la lectura de cargos, debido a que tiene una orden de arresto, le pedimos a la Corte que nos permita mantener silencio, renunciamos que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y le pedimos a la Corte que cancele esta orden de arresto.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf will give your client a $0 bond.
Vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente y darle una fianza de $0.
Their client has 2 civil infractions that went along with this
How you
ticket
doing
that
there?
I would
All right.
issue.
Yeah.
Hold on. That I would have no issue to setting aside if the city has no objection. One is an unsafe manner and failure to stop at a stop sign.
Su cliente tiene 2 infracciones civiles, las cuales yo puedo anular. Uno es que él faltó de parar donde había un alto y el otro es que estaba manejando de una manera no segura.
Mr. LeVar, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Ferry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señor Lovaro, lo vamos a pasar a una sala privada de consulta para que usted tenga la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado, el señor Ferry. Él le va a tratar de conseguir una oferta de resolución. Tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta la oferta de resolución, usted tiene todo derecho de llevar el caso a juicio.
Join them. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Por favor,
We'll
acepte
pass
una invitación donde dice join o unirse. Toque ahí donde dice join o unirse y lo vemos en la sala de consulta.
All right, we'll pass the matter. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Llewellyn Ramon Gallen, case number SP 1932131, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Kathy Murphy for the defendant.
Mr. Gallen, good morning. You state your name for the record, please.
Llewellyn Gallen, good morning.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time. It is set for a pretrial. Mr. Gallen, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Murphy. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Thank you.
Join the room. We'll pass the matter. You're in room 1, Mr. Ferry.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor. I was just trying to look for the city attorney. I don't believe she's.
Not yet.
Okay.
I'll send her out. When she comes in, she'll be in 4.
Okay, great. Thanks, Judge.
All right. Or you can just go to 4 and wait on her.
Okay, I'll speak to my client first and then I'll go to 4. Thank you.
Very well. All right. Mr. Upshaw, good morning to you. You had who?
Cecil Lott, Your Honor. He's calling me on the phone, so he was in Zoom.
He's here. He's here.
Okay. I have Cecil Lott. I just need to talk to the prosecutor.
Okay, so I'm gonna put Mr. Lott in breakout room 5. I gave you well, you fell off, but I give you privileges. You can the city attorney will meet in room 4. So when you're done talking to the prosecutor, you go to room 5 and speak to Mr. Lott. Mr. Lott? Is he there?
He must just disconnected when.
He's still on. He's just not responding. I don't know if you can move on your phone, can you?
Okay, let's see. Let's see.
I'm here.
All right, Mr. Lot, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 5. Wait on Mr. Upshaw to see if he can work things out for you, all right?
Okay.
All right,
Judge, I don't see anything to allow me to move.
I'll do it. I'll just set you in 4 and you can wait on the city.
Okay, thank you.
She'll let me know when you, Mr. Soroki, your client is here. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. I have 3 defendants that I'm representing today. They're all for pretrials.
And what's the first one?
Lavender is present. Jamal Logan, I don't see him here. I don't know if he's here.
Gardner is here.
Okay, that's 2 then. 2 here out of 3.
Do you know what to do?
I need room numbers for each one. I'm on my phone, so I can't see the room numbers.
All right. Ms. Gardner, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 6. Mr. Soroki is gonna come see you. And he's
Lavender.
gonna try to sort things out. He'll come see you when he's got things sorted out. So sit tight, okay? He's gotta wait on the
Okay.
city.
Thank
Ms.
you.
Lavender, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 7. Same thing, Mr. Soroki's gonna sort things out. So join the room and just sit tight. He'll get there as soon as he speaks with the city, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Good morning to both of you. Jamal,
Yes, sir.
good morning. Do you start your video, sir, please?
Okay.
What is your full name?
Jamal Antonio Logan.
Jamal Antonio Logan.
Yes. Jamal Antonio Logan.
And you have to take the headgear off, please. And good morning to you.
Good morning to you.
At 8:30.
It's a what?
Soroki's client.
Okay, you're Jamal Logan. Okay,
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Soroki. Mr. Soroki is here, so I'm gonna put you in breakout room 8, okay?
Okay.
And he's gonna it's gonna maybe be a minute because he's waiting on the city to speak with them, and he'll come see you, okay? Just sit tight in breakout room 8.
Okay, thank you.
Emilio Lopez Montero. Buenos dias. Emiliano. Is that Emiliano? Can we get probation down here for Emiliano?
Yep.
Please.
Yes.
Okay. Just want to be able to sign it, too. Big Dolph. Good morning to you. Sit up, please, sir.
Yes, sir. Sorry about
Good
that.
morning to you.
Good morning to
Big
you.
Dolph.
Yes, sir, Randolph. I'm sorry.
That's all right. You
How
don't
you
have to
doing?
apologize for your handle. What's your full name?
Randolph, Golson, Golson.
Randolph Evan Golson.
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning to you this morning, Judge.
Nah. All right. Good morning, Ms. Horn. They're waiting on you in 4.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, everyone. Thank you.
Go.
Alfonso Gregory is our in-person judge.
Alfonso Gregory.
Yeah.
That's on that telephone, huh? On the iPhone, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please? Good morning to you, ma'am. Or is it, good morning to you. What is your name, please? You just unmuted yourself, ma'am. Hello? You're there with the twist in your hair, the little braids at the top. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Hello? Yeah, what is your name, please?
Gwen Gaines.
Gwen Gaines. Good morning to you, Miss Gaines. Mr. Gregory said he's capable of filling out advice.
Okay.
He said the last time he was here, they rescheduled. Like the way he talked, I could tell he needs assistance. All right. Alfonso Gregory. This is the city of Detroit versus Gwen Gaines, case number SP 191-70351. Good morning to you, Miss Gaines. State your name for the record, please. Miss Gaines, state your name for the record, please.
Gwen Gaines. I'm sorry, Judge. This audio is very low.
That's all right. Today is the date and time is set for a review. You paid, Miss Gaines. I'm going to dismiss your case. Have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Mariana Garcia, case number SP 187-48232. Ms. Garcia, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, and my name is Mariana Garcia.
Yes, good morning, Ms. Garcia. You have not paid.
Can I pay like Monday or tomorrow?
Tomorrow? When are you gonna pay it?
I'm gonna pay it really soon, like
No, put a date on it, ma'am. Put a date on
Monday.
it. Monday?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna have you back Monday morning, okay?
Okay.
Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, okay?
Okay.
All right, come back Monday mornings. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gallen. Mr. Gallen, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Judge, Mr. Galen, I will be requesting a dismissal for compliance.
Mr.
He
Gallen,
showed me I'm sorry, Judge.
I'll dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
There's nothing further, sir. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good day. You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Have a better one. This is the city of Detroit versus Cherie Janelle Gamon, case number SP 143138881. Appearance for the record, please.
Kathy Murphy for the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Gamon. State your
Morning.
name for the, please.
Cherie Guimont.
Good morning. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Waive formal reading and ask you to enter plea of not guilty.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gamon, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Murphy. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Morning, Officer LaFada. Good morning, Officer Ossie.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Jacqueline,
Yes,
good morning to you, ma'am. What is your full name?
Jacqueline Argan.
Say that again.
Jacqueline Argan.
Argan. Can you, do you have a case number?
Yes.
Case number, please.
Is SP. 1 second. 1909. 4191.
1191.
19094 191.
Say it one more time. SP 19.
09
Mm-hmm.
4191.
4191.
Yes.
I think you were supposed to be here yesterday.
No, that was told the 27th.
Okay, she's in 336. You have to go to courtroom 336. 336. That's 360-336-0000.
Okay.
Best of luck to you,
Okay.
man.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Officer Thomas, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Are you here for
Lopez Montero?
Yes, how has he been progressing?
He's been testing as directed, Your Honor. I've had no positive screens for anything. He's going to, I believe, test today for this week's test, but he's been doing good. I have no concerns.
All right, thank you so much. Be safe. See you soon.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
¿Qué dijo?
Good morning, Officer Gutierrez.
¿Qué dijo?
Good morning, Officer Mitchell.
Ya está por policía, ¿verdad?
No, es el de los estudios.
Que se supone que vayas hoy.
¿Pero qué dijo? ¿Que había salido bien los demás?
Sí, pero
Are we ready on lot?
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Cecil D'Angelo Lot, case number SP 1932246, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 193222601, appearance for the record, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Randall Upshaw, P number 43574 on behalf of Mr. Lott. Mr. Lott,
Good morning.
state your name.
State your name for the record, please.
Peaceful lot. Hold on. I'm muting.
Good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a pre-trial. What's Mr. Lott want to do?
Your Honor, there was an offer made by the city attorney. He wishes to take advantage of it.
What would that offer be?
They're going to dismiss the open intox against him and make it an open intox against the passenger, and he's going to plead to a parking violation. All other charges will be dismissed. I've got to have him sign this.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Lott?
Yes.
Raise your right hand. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for the open alcohol offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Upshaw, at some point during this case, he went over your other advice or rights to break in it. Did he not? Did Mr. Upshaw go over your advice or rights at some point during the pendency of this case?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
By taking the deal, you're going to give up those rights?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Now, you do realize this is going to be 2 points on your driver's license, do you not?
Yes, sir.
All right, let me draw your attention back to July 9th, 2026, around 1:17 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Tyerman and Abington. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Did you have were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
You had some alcohol in our motor vehicle?
Yes, my brother left an open container in my car.
Is this like some champagne?
Yeah, champagne, golden champagne.
Champagne?
Yes, a golden champagne.
And it was open, right? And had something in the container?
Yes, it was something in there. It had just been cracked.
Very good. Find your client guilty. Wait a minute. That's weird. I don't know what it is, but he says his brother left that thing in his car, but it had just been cracked. That don't sound like your brother left.
No.
Just cracked it, and he just cracked it and he left it in there. That doesn't
No,
sound right.
he opened it and he was getting out the car.
All right. It was in the car, it was open.
Yes.
Find you guilty as to the amended count of open alcohol in the motor vehicle passenger. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea for the civil infraction.
Yes.
All right. With that stipulation, I'll find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic for the failure to stop.
Judge, actually, it was double parking. I'm sorry. It's a parking.
Same thing.
Okay.
Same. stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna cut him a break anyway. I'm gonna fine you just for the one. I won't fine you for the parking, the blocking traffic. That blocking traffic is 0 points, doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State. And I'll dismiss the other matters. $240. When can you pay it?
Next week, Your Honor.
Put a date on it.
What's today's date?
I'll say the 28th.
The 28th? That's Friday.
No, I'll say the 4th. I'm sorry.
Yes, the 4th.
All right, very good. I'll pay it by 9/4/2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, sir, I do wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day. And good to see you, Counselor. Everybody have a very good rest of the day.
You too, sir.
Thank you. He just been cracked. Officer Ozzie, Gordon Bermudez is here.
Yes, Your Honor. I spoke to Ms. Horn. I gave an offer, and she told me to check in with you, and if needed, I will hop right back on, sir.
All right, if we need you, she has your contact?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right, we'll see you soon.
See you soon, Your Honor. Thank you, sir.
Miss, on the iPhone, ma'am, with the green on, can you unmute yourself and state your full name, please? I'm sending you the prompt to unmute yourself.
Good morning, Your Honor. Donna Gray.
Donna Gray, good morning to you, Miss Gray. Oh, set for trial.
I spoke to Tamika Warren, and she told me to make sure I'm checked in.
Good morning, my father. All right, I got you checked in. You have does she have your contact information?
Yes, she does.
All right, and you'll be available if we need to call.
Absolutely.
All right, very good.
Thank you, sir.
All right, be safe.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah, oh, Miss Gray is here too. She appeared.
Yeah.
Okay,
I'll be, if you guys need me, I'll be right back.
very good. All right, we're just waiting on an attorney.
Judge? Oh, never
All
mind.
right, you ready?
You know, no, actually, I was going to ask you if you wanted to give me another person
Okay.
to assist, but my current client is still in my breakout room. We're waiting for her.
I'll put you in, I'll put the next one in, the next avail in 9. This
Okay.
is the Detroit. Uh, let's see. This is the city of Detroit versus Denise Francis Livesay. Case number SP 1934464, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Kathy Murphy, P51422 for Miss Livesay. Ma'am, could you unmute your device and state your name for the record?
Denise Livesay. Sending you the prompt, ma'am. Okay, she's trying to unmute now.
Thank you.
Miss
Thank
Livesay,
you.
good morning to you. Oh, this
Hi.
is, okay, Miss Murphy, Miss Livesay, can you state your name for the record, please?
Denise Livesay.
Livesay. Okay, good morning to you. Miss Murphy, Miss Livesay has a health related issue, and it's affecting her ability she needs her husband to be there to assist. If so, let's see if we can work with that and make sure she's fully understands the process and can proceed. Ms. Livesay, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Murphy. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. It's going to be breakout room 5. All right.
Thank you.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Thank you.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lavora. Mr. Lavora, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Ahora volvamos en el acta con el caso del señor Lovaro. Señor Lovaro, le dimos a usted la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada de consulta. Abogado, díganos qué han decidido hacer.
If I may, Judge, first off, I did speak with the city and they have no objection to the court lifting the default judgments on the 2 civil infractions.
Primeramente, su señoría, con su permiso, le dejo saber que hablé con la Fiscalía de la ciudad y ellos no se oponen en nada a que la infracción y el delito menor queden desestimados.
And my client, I'm sorry, Judge, go ahead.
No, go ahead.
Disculpe, su señoría. No, adelante.
And my client's prepared to waive his rights, and he will be entering a plea of responsible to the civil infraction of operating a vehicle in an unsafe manner.
Y mi cliente ya sabe cuáles son los derechos que él tiene, los renuncia, quiere declararse responsable a la infracción civil de que él estaba manejando de una manera no segura.
And that's to be amended to speeding 1 to 5 over the posted limit.
Y entonces ese cargo va a quedar modificado aún más a que iba en exceso de velocidad de 1 a 5 millas sobre el límite.
In exchange, Your Honor, the no insurance misdemeanor and the other civil infraction of failing to stop at a stop sign are to be dismissed.
Y adicionalmente, su señoría, el cargo de que no tenía seguro de vehículo, el cual es un delito menor, y el cargo que es una infracción civil que él no paró donde había un alto, esos dos cargos quedan desestimados.
Is that limited access or no limited access?
¿Se
No
refiere a
lim-
ese cargo con acceso limitado o no con acceso limitado?
No limited access, Your Honor, so that will result in one point. I advise my client of that.
No se ofrece eso sin decir que tiene acceso limitado. Por esa razón le va a costar un punto. Yo se lo expliqué a mi cliente y él está de acuerdo.
Do you want to take the deal, Mr. Lavaria?
Así, señor Lovar, ¿usted quiere aceptar esta oferta de resolución?
Sí.
Yes.
Stipulate to the, sit up, sir.
Señor, siéntate derecho.
Oh, I'm sorry. Perdón.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Y abogado, ¿puede usted estipular que yo puedo depender de lo que dice la boleta de infracción para establecer la declaración de responsable?
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Sí, su señoría, así se estipula.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Y abogado, ¿puede usted estipular que hay causa razonable para desestimar los otros dos cargos?
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Sí, su señoría, de acuerdo, así lo estipulo.
And with those stipulations, we'll find your client responsible for the amended count of 1 to 5 for the unsafe manner, $125. When can you pay it, sir?
Y con esas estipulaciones encuentro que su cliente sí es responsable al cargo de que iba de unos 5 millas en exceso del límite de velocidad. Ese cargo reemplaza el cargo de que estaba manejando de una manera que no era segura y le pedimos $125 en multa. ¿Pudiera usted pagar eso para cuándo, señor?
Para el tiempo de los 14 días está bien.
With 14 days would be fine.
If I may, Judge, I explained to him it's a civil infraction and the court would allow at least 14 days. He understands that and he's going to come down to the court in person.
Su señoría, con su permiso, le quiero explicar que yo le dije a él que para la infracción civil típicamente le dan a uno 14 días para alcanzar a pagar el monto y él está dispuesto a venir en persona a la corte para pagarlo.
All right, pay it by September the 11th.
Muy bien, entonces pague el monto, señor, no más tardar que el 11 de septiembre.
If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Y si no tiene algo que agregar, señor, le queremos desear a usted lo mejor de la suerte y que tenga muy buen día.
Ok, gracias igualmente.
Okay, thank you. Same to you.
Thank you.
Gracias.
City of Detroit versus Gary Luis Green Jr., case number SP 193333901. He also has something that's not on the docket, a newer or recent or more recent ticket of SP 194148111. Appearance for the record, please.
Gerald Ferry, House Counsel P44630 on behalf of Gary Lewis Green Jr. Mr. Green, please unmute, turn your camera on, state your full name.
Yes, sir. Gary Lewis Green Jr.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day, date, and time is set for a pretrial. Mr. Ferry, he also has a defective brake light ticket that's not in default, but it's set to be paid by or due or not to necessarily be paid, but to either be paid or set a court date by August 31st. if you want Mr. Ferry to get you an updated offer, Mr. Green, he will. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with him. You let us know what you want to do. If he's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer, keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, we'll pass the matter.
Your Honor, if I may, you mentioned a new
Yeah,
ticket.
defective brake light.
That's the new ticket. Okay, I thought you were talking about something totally different. Okay, great. I'll take care of Mr. Green. Thank you, Judge.
Very well. He's in there. We'll pass them out. Ms. Villarreal,
Yes, Your
let's call the City of Detroit versus Axel Omar Garcia Cotto, case number SP 192-63351. Good morning, Mr. Cotto. State your name for the record, please.
Vamos a llamar ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Axel Omar García Coto, número de caso SP 1926-3351. Buenos días, usted, señor Coto. Díganos su nombre, por favor.
Buenos días, mi nombre es Axel Omar García Coto.
Good morning. My name is Axel Omar Garcia Coto.
And good morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for a show cause. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond. And at this time, I'm going to dismiss your case because you paid it.
Buenos días, usted, señor Coto. Este es el día y la hora que teníamos para una audiencia para mostrar causa. Voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted y darle una fianza de $0. Y reconociendo que usted ya pagó, vamos a desestimar su caso.
Muchas gracias.
All right.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
De nada, si no tiene algo que agregar, le deseamos a usted muy buen día y buena suerte.
Muchas gracias y que pasen buen día con la bendición de Dios.
Thank you very much. I'm wishing everyone a good day and God's blessings.
Thank you.
Gracias.
You as well.
Y a usted también.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Good morning, Attorney Clayton.
Good morning, Judge.
I don't know if you know how it works in here. I'm going to give you privileges. Just don't let anybody in from the waiting room. Mr. Glenn, good morning to you.
Good morning.
I'm going to put you in breakout room number 9. Your attorney is here. He's going to pre-try the case and come see you and after he gets things situated, okay?
Sounds good.
All right. Breakout room 4, the city attorney is there, Attorney Clayton. I don't know if the officer has appeared yet or not. Let's see. Let's see, the officer has until 9:30. The officer is Mackey, so you may not have to, I don't know. You have permission to move from 4 to 9.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right. Let's go back on the record for Mrs. Guimon. Mrs. Guimon, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client? This is a dismissal for compliance.
Yes, Judge.
All right, Ms. Guimon, I'm going to dismiss your case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. All right. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Livesay. Did you have any issue with communication?
No, Judge. Mrs. Livesay understood what I was saying, and her husband was there to assist, but she was able to answer me and speak.
Very good. Ms. Livesay, do you want to take the deal? This will be a 3-month delayed sentence. It'll be a $240 fine, and we'll dismiss the case in 3 months if you don't get in any other trouble like this and you pay the $240. You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Thank you. Yes. Yes.
Can you raise Can you raise your right hand, please? Other right.
That's her, right, Judge?
Right.
She just has a different camera. Never
Do
mind.
you-
I'm gonna
Do you
shut up.
swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Miss Murphy went over your other advice of rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
Did you understand those rights?
I do.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, thank you.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to July the 9th, 2026, around 11 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Spinoza and Sawyer. Were you in that area around that date and that time?
Yes.
And what's over there, ma'am?
The what was what? The
Was that
what? The
was that a city park?
The raise it once.
Was that a city park?
Yes.
Is that Rouge Park over there?
Yes.
All right. And you were in that park at that time, correct?
Yes.
All right. I'll find you guilty as charged. The park's closed at 10. It says it was 11 o'clock. I'll find you guilty as charged with the stipulation of probable cause. Counselor, I'll dismiss the other matter.
Yes, so stipulated.
All right, $240. Pay it by November the 25th. And come back on November the 25th at 8:25. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. There are other ways, but those are the two best ways. If you don't have anything further, if it's paid and you don't get any other trouble like this, you don't need to come back on the November the 25th. I do wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day to you and your husband.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Thank
Have a
you.
great day.
Thank
welcome.
you. What I do
You're
once.
welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What I do.
You can press leave meeting down at the
I got
bottom.
it. I got it.
Thanks, Judge.
All right. Let's go with the city of Detroit versus let's see, Paris Grant.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
It's called the city of Detroit versus Paris Grant. Case number is U 530-462-19, SP 11623531, SP 12811-811. Appearance for the record, please.
Kathy Murphy for the defendant, Your Honor. Mr. Grant, please state your full name for the record.
My name is Paris Demond Grant Sr.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time, and it is set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. For purposes of arraignment,
Waive formal reading. and ask Your Honor to enter a plea of not guilty and set aside the warrant, please.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give you $0 bond. Mr. Grant, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Miss Murphy. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you will have an absolute right to a trial. You wanna run his license, please? All right, I'm gonna run the license as well, so, join the room, Mr. Grant, and let us know what you wanna do when you come out, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Pass the matter.
Thank you, Judge.
Who's the gentleman out in the hallway?
Mr. Alfonso, Gregory, yes.
Great.
Mr. Grant is suspended.
Okay.
He's on right under 835.
Okay. Good morning, Officer Saylor.
Good morning, Judge. Quick question.
Yes.
So I got another judge, Ms. Perkins, who's inviting me to go for another court, traffic. Sorry about that. Another traffic. Would it be okay if I go join that real quick and then come back in here?
Yes.
All right.
This is the city of Detroit versus Deontay East Green, case number 19-4599121. Mr. Green, state your name for the record, please.
Deontay East Green.
All right, today is the date and time is set for a trial. I do not see Officer Duvall. Badge 1121. On the court's own motion, I'm going to dismiss this case. No officer. And I'm going to waive the warrant fee. Thank you. And you pay the reinstatement fee. And I'm going to cut you another break, sir, since this is old. I'm going to bring you to the times of this sentence here. I'm going to resentence you on SP 163-88282. I'm going to resentence you to $240. I'm going to resentence you. You paid $120. You paid $110. I'm going to resentence you to $130. Okay.
Okay.
For that, you pay that $130. It'll close itself out.
Okay. I had a quick question.
Yes.
So I had a ticket that went over to probate court. I don't know how I got to probate court. It was from 2004, October the 4th. I got the ticket number, but that ticket been holding me up from getting my license.
What's 2000? Give me the ticket number.
04.
Hold on 1 second. Go ahead.
04548257.
Is that from out of here?
Yes.
I see. I see it on the record. I don't know what I see. What's the problem?
And that's the only ticket really been holding me up from getting my driver's license. I called Lansing. They told me I had to clear this first before I can even attempt to get my license.
Yes, some I never seen before. You have a failure, a no insurance proof, and no insurance ticket from '04, and somehow it got over to the probate court. I don't know how it got over there. I would not know, and I don't see it in our system. And that is why you can't get your license.
Yep.
Madam Clerk, I don't know if you can do anything. Let's see.
Excuse me, Judge. Mr. Love, please stop eating. You're in court.
All right, let's pass that. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, regarding Gary Lewis Green, he will be accepting the offer.
As soon as your attorney is ready, I'll be able to call your matters. Just please remain.
Oh boy, go ahead.
Regarding Gary Lewis Green, Your Honor, he will be accepting a plea, and if I could, do you want me to place that on the record now, or till you call the case?
No, we're on the record with this.
Oh, I apologize, Judge. I forgot. Your Honor, there was an offer, whereas you mentioned that there is a civil infraction defective brake light that is not on the docket. If it is in default, I believe you said it was not, but he will be pleading.
Oh, it's not.
Oh, thank you, Judge. He will be pleading responsible to the defective brake light, and in exchange, the misdemeanor trailer plate will be dismissed.
All right, you want to take the deal, sir? Where is he?
I bought him out, Judge. Hold on.
He fell off, I think. He fell off.
Oh.
All right. If he's going to take it, we'll put the deal on the record. All right, let's pass that matter. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Anthony Love, case number U744-37726, SP191-57751. Appearance for the record, please.
Gerald Ferry, House Counsel P44630. And is this regarding DeLorean Anthony Love, Your Honor?
No, this is Anthony Love, Anthony C. Love.
Okay, Your Honor, I'm
the
sorry.
one that's eating his breakfast in court.
Okay. Oh, I will be representing Anthony Love. Mr. Love, please unmute, stop eating, and state your name. You need to unmute.
I'll help him. I'll help. Oh, he's got it. Good morning to you, sir. State your name for the record, please.
Anthony Love.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Love. Today is the day and time is set for a trial. I have Officer Hamill. It's Officer Hamill. He appeared. I don't know where he went, or if he was one of the officers that indicated that he was going to step out and come back, but he did appear, and I did not see an Officer Caldwell. So Mr. Murphy, Mr. Ferry, get Mr. Love an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you didn't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Yes, Your
Okay.
Honor. I'm assuming we're going to dismiss the operating of a legal occupation because of the officer's failure to appear.
Can you make that motion?
Should I do that now? I will make that motion now, Your Honor. Move to dismiss.
Very well. I'll grant the motion.
Thank you.
No officer. Join the room, Mr. Love. Speak to Mr. Ferry. We'll pass the matter. Mr. Soroki,
Yes, Your
let's
Honor.
call Gardner. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Katrina Gardner, case number. Strike that. This is the state of Michigan versus Katrina Gardner, case number SX 471-30181. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, ma'am?
Katrina Gardner.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Day of date and time
Good morning.
set for trial. It's my understanding you want a trial date, right?
Yes.
That's correct, Your Honor.
That date will be September 17th at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, Ms. Gardner, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
And that's
Thank
by
you.
Zoom. Okay, trial. Zoom, correct, Your Honor? Zoom trial.
That's like Burger King. Ms. Gardner gets to have it her way. All right.
Thank you. Okay.
All right, are we ready on layout? You ready on anyone else, Mr. Soroki?
I'm not, Miss Lavender didn't respond yet. I don't see Mr. Jamal Logan. Is there Jamal
He's in
Logan?
8.
He's in 8? Okay.
Lavender's in 7. Logan
I
is
have
in 8.
Lavender. Okay, very good. Thank you. I'll go see Mr. Logan right now. Okay, let's see here.
Okay, I'm almost done.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Grant. Mr. Grant, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Judge, I'm asking that Mr. Grant be assigned counsel. I have his contact info. Which of the courtroom Zoom IDs should I chat to? Or should I email?
That one.
That one. Okay, thank you.
You want an appointed attorney, sir?
Yes,
Mr.
Your Honor.
Grant?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna appoint you an attorney. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date of September 17th at 8:30, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, do you have, I'm gonna wait till I get that telephone number. Do you have any further questions, sir?
No, sir. And I don't mind telling my number on the phone. I don't answer for everybody.
Oh, you don't, you can say it if you want to, but you don't have to.
I chatted it, Mr. Grant, to the judge. They have it.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Best of luck to you, sir. You have a good day, Your Honor.
Thinking he needs to contact juvenile court because he was 15 when this case went out. So it wouldn't be in our system.
Right.
We are a little bit confused about why it says probate court,
Yeah.
but he should start with juvenile court to see if they can.
What are you talking about?
We got some other issue with
Oh,
Mr.
okay.
Green.
Sorry.
All right, I need you to help Mr. Gregory. And before I bring him in the room, Mr. Gregory has some disabilities as well.
Okay.
Ms. Murphy, to the point where he could not fill out the advice of rights form. So I don't know what we're gonna do with that. I'm gonna call the case.
Okay.
Mr. Gregory, are you there?
Yes, sir.
This is the city of Detroit versus Alfonso Love Gregory. Case
Yes,
number
sir.
SP 1933846, counts 1, 2, and 3. U6 0132721 1946059191. Appearance for the record, please.
Kathy Murphy for Mr. Gregory. Sir, would you please state your full name for the record?
Alfonso Love Gregory.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is the date and time is set for a pretrial on some, but the other ones are in warrant status. For purposes of arraignment, counselor?
Waive formal reading. Ask Your Honor to enter a plea of not guilty and set aside the warrants.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. One of the cases is entering a EWAP ticket, Ms. Murphy.
Okay.
That's not on the docket.
Okay.
The other case is a driver while license suspended from 2019. I'm gonna resentence him on this driving while license suspended from earlier too. He owes $1,000. I'm gonna resentence him on that to $240.
Thank you, Judge.
And he owes some civil infractions, one of which is a no insurance proof at $288 going back to 2019. If he paid that, he can potentially set himself up to get a valid driver's license. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, Miss. So we have 5 cases, EWAP, driving while license suspended, and then the other cases that are on the docket. Mr. Gregory, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Miss Murphy. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Can I say something, please, sir?
So go in the breakout room and speak with Miss Murphy. He's in
Yes,
there.
sir.
We'll pass the matter. All right. On the iPhone, sir, good morning to you. What is your name?
Randy Lankwa.
Randy Lankwa. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Trooper, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. I logged in at the wrong courtroom. I don't think I have
Have a good
anything
day.
with you today.
Have a good day. Be safe.
Thank you, you too.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Love. Mr. Love, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. This is a dismissal, no recollection, counsel.
That's correct, Your Honor. If I may, I spoke with the city attorney. She did speak with the officer and confirmed that the officer has no recollection.
All right. I'll dismiss the case. No recollection, sir. You still owe $222 on an old expired plate. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Excuse, Judge, you say I owe
Yes,
two
yes.
twenty? You say I owe 222?
222 on an old expired plate, yes.
I don't recall that. I never have got a ticket for an expired plate.
Yeah, it's too late now. You gotta pay it.
When did this occur?
I don't know.
I haven't drove in like 4 years.
It happened, I think it's probably about right before you stopped driving. Hold on. City of Detroit versus Sharnice Gladden. Case numbers SP189793111, SP1919131, SP1898081, SP1919193, counts 2 and counts 3, and the state of Michigan versus Sharnice Gladden, case number SX46795481. Appearance for the record, please.
Gerald Ferry, House Counsel P44630, on behalf of Sharnice Marie Gladden. Ms. Gladden, please state your full name for the record.
Sharnice Gladden.
Good morning to you, Ms. Gladden. Officer Saylor, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Good morning to you, Officer Saylor. Badge number will be 1396, assigned with the 7th Precinct, Detroit Police Department.
All right, Ms. Gladden needs to see you. Can you turn your camera on, please?
Is it on now?
No, yours is on, Ms. Gladden. I'm gonna let you see Officer Saylor. You get the right to face your accuser. All right. Go ahead. Now we have Officer Mitchell. Officer Mitchell, you're there. Are you here on Gladden?
Good morning, yes, Your Honor. Officer Mitchell, badge 2125, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning to you. And then we have Officer Tyler. Everybody showed up for Miss Gladden. Mitchell, Tyler. All right. Tyler, did he appeared? I don't see him in the courtroom now. Give Miss Gladden an updated offer, Attorney Ferry. Ms. Gladden, Attorney Ferry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I mean, today is the date and time set for the trial, okay? Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Are we ready on Lavender?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Let me get Love out of here. He wants to know when he got this ticket.
He got it in 2022.
2022, Mr. Love.
I did not get a ticket for, I never got a ticket for a expired plate or a late plate because I haven't had one. Whenever I drove, my insurance was up to plate and my plates was up to par. So I don't know where that ticket came from.
It's too late to deal with anything now. It's back in 2022. That's over 4 years ago. It says you are operating a 2014 Volkswagen. Did you ever have a 2014 Volkswagen?
Yes, I did. But the plate was correct on there. The plate was correct.
Well,
the insurance
we're going back to 2014, hashing that out. All right, it's over with now. You got to pay 222, or you don't. You don't know. You do what you do. All right, Mr. How can I do anything about it?
I understand.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Be safe, sir.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Officer Saylor, take your hat off, please. All right. Let's go with Mr. Are we ready on
Yes, we're ready on Lavender and we're ready on Logan.
All right, let's call Lavender into the record. Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Leah May Lavender. Case number SP 184-8627, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 184-8628, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, ma'am?
Leah Lavender.
Leah Lavender. Good morning
Yes.
to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Your
I
Honor,
don't know if you're properly dressed for court.
I am. This is
That's
a sweater.
That's what you say.
It's a sweater, but I'll sit up. So
Let me see.
my sweater.
Yes, let me see your sweater, ma'am. That looks like a robe to me.
It's
go
not,
ahead,
but
Miss-
I was. It's not, but I'll switch it.
if it's not a sweater, then you don't. Then if it's not a robe, then go ahead, Mr. Shiroki. What does Miss Lavender want to do?
yes. Miss Lavender wishes to accept the offer of the prosecution's matter. As to the reckless driving ticket, she will plead to that as charged with a reduction to fail to use due care and caution while passing a utility vehicle. As to the disregarding officer signal, the defendant will plead to that as charged with a 3-month delayed sentence. And the defendant will also plead responsible to a defective bumper. The remaining matters will all be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Miss Lavender?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and
Yeah.
or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Shiroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
He did.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to January 1st, 2026, around 10:26 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Rutherford and Pilgrim. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
And what were you operating a motor vehicle, a 2002 Chevrolet?
Yes.
And what did you do?
I don't understand your question. What you mean? What did I do?
Well, you're taking a deal to amended count of reckless driving. How were you driving that vehicle to draw the attention of the police?
He said that I failed
Let's
to
not
do.
talk about what he said. Let's talk about what you did.
I turned on a no turn at the red light.
And that's all you did?
Yeah.
Are you satisfied that meets it, Mr. Soroki?
No, I would have to ask her a couple more questions, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
Did
If
you
you want to do that,
Did you almost strike any other vehicles or persons when you made this turn?
No,
Did you endanger anyone or anything, any property when you made that turn?
can you repeat the question?
Did you endanger any property or any persons when you
No,
made that turn? No?
no.
Okay. I don't see a proper plea here, Your Honor. We'll just request a trial by judge, bench trial.
All right, we're gonna set a trial date, ma'am. Cause I don't know, turning on a left when there was red light, I don't know if it's just, if that meets the standard of reckless. Doesn't seem like it meets that to me, but we'll come have you back on September 17th at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay,
All right, properly dressed, okay?
By
okay.
Zoom, ma'am. I
Huh?
mean, it will be by Zoom.
Okay.
September 17th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Ms. Lavender, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
You as well. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. You said Logan?
Yes, Your Honor.
The City of Detroit versus Jamal Antonio Logan, case numbers SP19, strike that, SP139795. One, counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Jamal Antonio Logan.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is the date and time and is set for a free trial. What's your client want to do, Mr. Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor. As to the count one, that's in default, and it's from 2022, so that's not being addressed at this time. The no defendant will plead to the offer of the prosecution. The open alcohol motor vehicle driver ticket will be reduced. Plead to as charged will be reduced to open alcohol passenger, and the no insurance and misdemeanor ticket will be dismissed per the plea.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
You're just gonna put 2 points on your license.
That's fine.
Raise your right hand, please. Swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
I do.
Or you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, I understand.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
I do.
Mr. Soroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room. Did he not?
He did.
And you understand those rights?
I do.
And do you have any questions about those rights?
I do not.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, I'm aware.
And has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
They have not.
Now, let me draw your attention way back to October the 22nd, 2022, at around 11:58 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Florence and Livernois. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, the police pulled up behind me when I was coming out of the liquor store.
It's easy enough to just answer the questions. We'll get through it a little quicker. You were
Yes,
in a
sir.
motor vehicle, sir?
I was.
And were you, did you have some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
No, not necessarily, but yes.
Well, I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means. No, not necessarily, but yes. Can anybody explain that to me, or Mr. Logan explain that to me?
I had the alcohol container. Yes, I had it.
So why did you have no? Where did that come from?
I'm really just trying to just get through this really.
So there's another problem.
Right.
That's a problem. So I don't know if I believe you. Did you have alcohol or not? Or are you just trying to get through this?
I did.
What kind of alcohol did you have?
1800, I believe.
You believe. Now you
Yes.
still don't sound to be sure.
No, I'm sure it was 1800. I don't really drink, so Like that's the only liquor I've drank.
That doesn't mean you had it in this vehicle. I need to know whether you had it in that vehicle at that time.
I did, Your Honor. I did.
What kind of vehicle were you in?
I believe in Nissan.
All right. And was the 1800 open?
No, it wasn't.
All right, we're going to set this matter for trial. Because you're pleading to open alcohol in a motor vehicle. You just don't seem to be very sure. You're telling me that you just want to get it over with. You're telling me you believe it was 1800. And now you're telling me that the 1800 was not open. I'm going to set it for trial. Back again on September 17th at 9 a.m., all right?
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Very good. Yes, that's by Zoom also, sir. Okay. Have a good day, Judge.
You as well. Mr. Clayton, are you ready on Glenn?
Yes, Your Honor.
Jeremy Glenn. City of Detroit versus Jeremy Clayton Glenn. Case number SP 192-52911. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Spencer Clayton appearing on behalf of Mr. Glenn, P number 77302. Mr. Glenn, can you identify yourself to the court, please? Judge, he might still be in breakout room 9. I'm sorry.
Officer Mackey up here. I don't have him on my list.
Good morning.
I don't see him.
Nelson. I was just checking back in. I have to go to Judge Wagner's courtroom.
All right, Officer Nelson. Good morning to you.
Thank you.
All right. Mr. Jeremy Glenn, can you state your name for the record, please?
My name is Jeremy Glenn.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time is set for a trial. Do I have an Officer Mackey? Officer Mackey. Not seeing that officer on my list and not seeing him in any breakout room or in the main room. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, at this time, the people unable to proceed, we'd move to dismiss.
All right, I'll grant the motion to dismiss. Mr. Glenn, best of luck to you. Case dismissed. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, let's go back on the record. Ms. Murphy, who do you have?
Mr. Gregory, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gregory. Mr. Gregory, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Judge, I'm requesting that a counsel be assigned to Mr. Gregory.
Okay, Mr. Gregory?
Yes, sir.
Is the telephone that you're on the best number to reach you?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm going to have you back and you can come in the courtroom and get some paperwork, but I'm going to have you back on September 17th, 2026 at 8:30. I'm going to ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney that I'm going to assign to you. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by September 17th, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, if you want to hang up the phone and come in and get some paperwork, we can give that to you, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right.
And Your Honor, Tamika Horn on behalf of the people, is this Mr. Alfonso Gregory with license improper and expired plates and no insurance misdemeanor?
Yes, and he has another.
And we're getting
There's another EWOP ticket, and he has another old driver while license suspended.
Got it. Thank you, Judge.
Well, all right, City of Detroit versus Randolph Evan Big Dolph Golson. Did I get that right, sir? Is he here?
He is.
He's there.
He's
Case
muted.
number,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. I'm here. I apologize about that.
about what?
About getting
About
unmuted.
being Big Dolph?
What'd you say, Judge? I couldn't hear.
How can you apologize about that? That's what they call you, right?
Yes,
That's
sir.
what you call yourself, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Case number SP 11455-831, SP 1719203, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 17530-571. SP 1788064, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1788955-2. SP 1860211, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1914132-1. SP 1926823, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Kathy Murphy for Mr. Golson. Sir, please state your full name for the record.
Yes, ma'am. Randolph Evan Golson.
You left the Big Dolph out.
My bad. Big Dolph.
There it is. There it is. The case number, for purposes of arraignment on the warrants, was most of these things are in warrant status. He's got big warrants.
Big warrants for Big Dolph.
I'm feeling like I'm not in on the joke, but I'm gonna laugh anyway. Judge,
No,
Kathy,
Judge got us in here
It's no
laughing.
joke. There's no joke. He came in, Mr. Murphy, to get you up to speed. His handle is Big Dolph. So when I brought him, that's what I saw, Big Dolph, you know. And then he apologized for being Big Dolph. I said, you don't have to apologize. If that's you, that's you. If that's how you want to be addressed, we're going to address you by your government name, though, in here. But, you know, so that's all it was.
got it.
So,
Thank you,
Randolph
Judge.
is cool.
Judge, we
you
will
know,
waive.
not-
I'm sorry.
Mhm.
We'll waive
Go
formal
ahead.
reading. Ask you to enter pleas of not guilty on the offenses and ask you to set aside the warrants.
All right, I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. If the city has no objection on the one case, expired plate that went with the SP 192 tickets that are on the docket, I wouldn't have any issue with him being heard. Then we have, that's so expired plate, and then a no insurance misdemeanor, Ms. Murphy, an unregistered untitled, a driving while license suspended, a no insurance misdemeanor, a driving while license suspended, a driving while license suspended, repeat offender, an unregistered untitled, an improper plate, a driving while license suspended, repeat offender, a driving while license suspended, a no insurance misdemeanor, and a no ops.
I'm sorry, Judge.
I counted 15 cases into the record. Mr. Golson, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Murphy. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, let us know what you wanna do when you come out. Pass the map.
And Your Honor, Mr. Golson, you counted 15 cases. There's only 2 on the docket.
Yeah, I read those other ones were in warrant status. And again, the last one with the 2 on the docket went with an expired plate. It was an expired plate. If you don't have any objection, I wouldn't have any issue with setting the default aside for the expired plate.
Okay, I have no objection. And Miss Murphy, I'll talk to you in room 4. I
Thank
sent you
you, Ms. Horn.
a chat.
Thank you.
All right, let's go past that matter. Let's call the City of Detroit, Mr. Ferry versus Angel Lynn. Case number SP 1932542, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Gerald Ferry, House Counsel P44630 on behalf of Angel Lynn, Miss Lynn, could you please unmute, or I don't know if it's a male or female, could
Male.
unmute and say your name? Okay, I apologize.
Angel Lynn.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Lynn. Today
Good
is the
morning.
day time set for a show cause for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the formal reading, stand mute, move to set aside any warrants that may have been issued.
Willing or not guilty plea in this BI, give him a $0 bond. He has an expired plate and a defective equipment that went along with these tickets. I wouldn't have any issue with allowing Mr. Lynn to be heard on the tickets if the city has no objection. Mr. Lynn, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Ferry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the.
And if
Mr. Harris.
I have a question with you.
Yes.
Your Honor, regarding Charnice Marie Gladden, that's the matter that's up for trial. And
Harris is here now.
Oh, it's Miss. I was going to say it sounded like she has she has an MIDC. Okay,
yeah. That's
all I need to know. Thank you.
Well, she was here. I don't know where she went, Miss Gladden. Maybe she's in the breakout room. No, maybe not. She was here. She appeared. Is that your attorney, Miss Glenn? Miss
Yes,
Gladden?
sir.
All right, she showed up. She'll be back in a second. Mr. Davis, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Who's your defendant?
Jeremy Klein.
He's gone. He was represented by Clayton.
Oh, Clayton
Smith.
If he did or not. All right, thanks.
All right, be safe. Mr. Masario, good morning to you. Who's your defendant?
I've got two up today. The first is Jose Godoy Bermudez.
He's here.
Perfect. We have an officer on the case.
Pardon me? Yes, the officer appeared.
Second one is Anthony Love.
Anthony Love's gone.
He's already.
Yeah.
Did he wrap up already?
Yeah, dismissal, both of them.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, Judge. I do apologize for being late.
That's all right. They called, your office called.
I'll be zooming in from the hallway.
Very good.
Mr. Green, I sent him.
Carlin Green?
Deontay Green, I sent him the.
He's waiting. Okay. Let me. What's that? Oh, that's Lake Lankwood, Randy Lankwood. If you answer the phone, you're gonna get kicked off again. All right, Mr. Green, Deontay Green.
And I sent him a chat if he has access to his chat.
Yeah. So it sounds like you got this ticket when you were a kid, and you need to either check with the juvenile court or go over to the probate court. We can't help you here.
Okay.
So check your chat, and I sent you a phone number to the juvenile court, so you can contact.
You got a phone number as well.
Okay.
All right. So I wish you the best of luck on that. That's the kind of ticket that just shows you how powerful the insurance lobbyists are. As of October 31st, 2021, the governor and the administration at that time, the legislator, they saw that these $45 reinstatement fees were just blocking everyone from getting a driver's license.
Yeah.
So you still have to pay the $45 reinstatement fee, but on 99% of those tickets, they will not suspend your license because you have that, with the exception of that no insurance proof.
Okay.
And they may be like one or two other ones, but very few. But the no insurance proof, you can have driving license suspended 1,000,000 times. But when you have that no insurance proof with that 45, it's going to suspend your license, and that's what you're dealing with now.
Yeah.
All right. Be safe, sir. Best of luck to you. Okay.
All right. You too.
Does the Godoy Bermudez need an interpreter?
I believe so, yes, Judge.
All right.
And which breakout was Ms. Horn in?
That's breakout room 5.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, we're just waiting on an attorney. Can we get in touch with Attorney Paris again?
Yeah.
Because I don't know if she felt that they took her case or not.
He said, thanks, Judge.
Who's that?
Mr. Gregory.
Oh, good,
There was some things he didn't understand, and people that helped him, he was appreciative.
good. All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Carlin Levon Green, case number SP 187-1694, counts 1 and counts 2. Mr. Green, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
I'm sorry, Mr. Gary Lewis Green Jr. or
No. You came back.
I apologize, Judge. My phone died and it took a minute to come back on.
Morning.
Carlin Green.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning to you, sir. State your name for the record, please.
Carlin Green.
All right, these were civil infractions. You never got into a payment plan or anything. Did you do community service?
So the lady had contacted me, and
That's
I went
either
up
a
there.
yes or a no.
Oh, no, I didn't. No, I'm sorry. No, I didn't.
All right, so either do the community service or pay it.
Okay, so this is her number again. That's what I want to explain. So I went up there Saturday, or I went on my off day. I think it was a Monday. It was closed, and I think they only do. I don't know how they do their community service, but the days, if they only do it on Saturdays, then I work on the weekends. I was trying to figure out which days do they do community service on, and she never contacted me back.
All right,
And I can't
313.
find.
You want me to
Hold on,
get
let
you
me
with
get a
Mr. You want me to get you with Mr. Phillips over there at the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
No, that's too far. The church right here was really, really good because it was up the street from my house.
All right, 313.
You got an ink pen? Ink pen, ink pen, ink pen.
You don't even
Can you
have
put
a
it in your phone?
pen.
Can you put it in your phone?
You don't even have a pen.
It's all the way upstairs in my room. 313.
965 8130.
8130. Okay, I'll contact her as soon as I get off the phone with you guys and make sure I get that done.
All right, I'll give you what is it? How many hours? 24 hours?
24.
Come back on October the 5th.
Okay.
Mrs. Shelton is her name. 965 8130. Best of luck to you.
Thank you again, Your Honor. Have a good day and weekend as well.
You as well. Miss Gladden, I'm going to put you in breakout room 6. Miss Paris is here.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
Hi, I'm well. How about yourself?
Pretty good, thank you.
Miss Gladden is in breakout room 6.
Okay. What
I
breakout?
thought I gave you, who did I give co-host ability to?
Not me. Okay, I have it now.
Blankworth. He doesn't need that. Charity Lewis is super late, ma'am.
I was feeding my kids.
What am I going to say about that? Hernandez, you need to. Actor Samuel Monroe passed away.
Ooh.
He's from Menace to Society and
Oh, okay.
those movies. He died. He was in the hospital for a long time.
That's three. There was another actor, Tim Burton, passed away yesterday, and then Dolly.
Yeah, he was 80 years old too, though.
Oh, Tim.
Curry.
Yeah, Tim Curry.
Yeah. She divorced husband by 9 a.m. He won 40 million in the lottery by 12. She got some bad time.
Oops. But I love you. I made a mistake.
That's some bad time in there.
Yeah. She's kicking herself. Well, maybe she's not. Maybe.
Yeah, if somebody try to give her something, you know, she's gonna be begging.
Hey, he might just throw her something just to keep her away. Now he's got all this money.
Excuse me, Judge. I don't mean to be rude.
All right, are we get to wait? I have to get your attorney come back. Oh,
Okay, I just wanted to understand it. That's all. I'm sorry.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Gary Lewis Green Jr. Do you you want to take the deal of the defective equipment?
Yes, sir. He, to my knowledge, he wants me to plead guilty to being responsible for the ticket and the brake light, and they're gonna drop the trailer plate.
Yeah, it's not guilty plea, it's a responsible plea. I was going to wait on him, but if you will stipulate that the officer had probable cause to stop you for the trailer plate, then we can get it done.
Yes, sir.
All right, you'll stipulate to that? All right, so
Yes,
I'll
sir.
find you responsible as charged to the defective equipment, $120. I'll dismiss the other case. When can you pay?
You can give me 14 days, sir. 2 weeks. I don't know the date. I know you want a date, but 2 weeks from now.
9/11 is good.
9/11 is good, sir.
I paid any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload div that app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, be safe. Have a very good rest of your day, and best of luck to you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. And I apologize for the phone, Diane.
Sorry, you can't. Don't worry about that. All right, have a
Take
good
care,
day.
Judge. You too.
You too. Let's go back on the record for Mr. Golson. Mr. Golson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, you need street court.
Yes, Judge.
All right, let me get them in here now, Mr. Golson. All right, I'm gonna pass it, Mr. Golson, and get him in there as soon as I can, all right? All right, that gets me down to Lanqua. I don't know if he's been represented by an attorney or not. City of Detroit versus Randy Lanqua, case number SP 180-41721, SP 191-4654, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Kathy Murphy for Mr. Lanqua. Sir, please state your full name for the record.
Randy Everett Lankwood Jr.
All right, good morning to you. Officer Nelson and Officer Brown appear. I don't see any of those officers here now. Ms. Murphy, well, Officer Nelson indicated that he was going to be in another courtroom. Ms. Murphy, get Mr. Lanqua updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Lanqua, today is the date and time set for the trial.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Yep. Sharice Young.
Good morning, Your Honor. I don't know what I'm doing. Please forgive me. I'm trying to find the courtroom that my son is in, Kyle Olden.
Kyle Olden.
Yes, he had a traffic ticket for no seatbelt and no insurance.
Spell his last name.
O-D as in dog, E-N.
Odin. Okay. And his first name, K-Y-L-E?
K-I-E-L.
Oh, I would have messed that all up.
I'm so sorry.
He's in courtroom 336. You have to zoom into courtroom 336. That's 360-336-0000.
Okay. Do you mind if I ask you a question before I leave this live?
You may.
His tickets that he received, it's on a corporate lease vehicle, and I'm the lease holder.
That's up to the court over there, and between him and the court, you can zoom in. I wouldn't be able to advise you any kind of way on anything like that.
Okay, I appreciate you so much, and I watch you all the time on YouTube. Okay, bye.
All right, she just wanted to zoom in. You better hurry up. It said 8:50, so be safe, Miss Young. Best of luck to you.
Thank you so much. You have a great day.
You have a better one.
Bye-bye.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Angel Lynn. Mr. Lynn, is this your lucky day?
Just might be. The sun is shining. I feel good.
Well, it says dismissed for valid documentation. I'm going to dismiss the cases, sir. for providing valid documentation. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Same to you. Enjoy your day.
You as well. City of Detroit versus Donna Marie Gray. Case number SP 1903527-1, SP 1903528, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Gerald Ferry, House Counsel P44630, on behalf of Donna Marie Gray. Miss Gray, please unmute, state your full name.
I thought I was unmuted.
You are. Well, just please state your name again.
Donna Marie Gray.
All right, Ms. Gray, good morning to you.
Good
Today
morning.
is the time is set for a trial. Officer Lafada did check in. He came into the court and he had the other courtroom. So he says he'll be, if we need him, he'll be right back. Ms. Gray, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Ferry. He's going to try to work this out for you and get you an update. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
All right, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Pass the matter. So did you eat as well, Miss Lewis, or you just fed the kids?
I ate a little something. I mainly feed them. I make sure they always eat before me.
Well, that's what you're supposed to do, right?
Yeah, today is grocery day, so I'm just waiting for a ride to go grocery shopping, pretty much.
So we holding you up too, huh?
Really, I'm waiting. My ride is holding me up right now.
That's quite a schedule right there. You got grocery day. What's tomorrow? Oh, tomorrow is Friday. It's payday. That's hangout day.
Pretty much, then
Right?
I really go outside. I like sitting in the house for real.
All right. But we'll try to get you out of here so you can get your groceries. Run her driver's license. All right. Mr. Golson, I have Miss Till here from Street Court. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Good morning to you, Miss Till. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with her, have a conversation with her. I'm going to say this to you too, Mr. Golson. I know that this is a time of your life where you're probably in the most, troubling time of your life. And I will be praying for you for that. And I do believe in Street Court and their program. I've seen it work, and I hope it works for you. I hope it works sooner rather than later. But I do always leave you with this quote from Dr. Martin Luther King. Dr. Martin Luther King says, "The true test of a man is not where he or she stands in the times of comfort and convenience, but where he or she stands in the times of challenges and controversies." And I gotta believe that this is one of the most challenging times of your life, besides losing a loved one or something like that. But I do believe that there's always light at the end of the tunnel. I know it's gonna shine. I know it may not be shining bright for you right now, but with some determination, some prayer, and some help and hard work, it will get brighter. I guarantee you that. I just can't tell you when. All right, join the breakout room, speak with Ms. Till, and let us know if you want to be a part of the program, all right?
All righty.
7.
Thank you. And Judge, Attorney Paris is here for Mr. Lankwa, and she is currently speaking with Madam Prosecutor in the breakout room.
Very good. All right, so we can give Ms. Lewis to her grocery run. City of Detroit versus Charity Lewis. Case number SP 1936679, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Kathy Murphy for Miss Lewis. Ma'am, would you please state your full name for the record?
Charity Lewis.
Good morning to you, Miss Lewis. Today is the date and time, and it's set for, and just so you're not left in the dark, Miss Murphy.
Okay.
First of all, I asked Miss Lewis why she was so late. She told me she had to feed her kids. So what can I say about that, right?
That's
They have to eat. I asked her, did she get something to eat as well? She says, yeah, she ate a little bit. But she said today, she said today is grocery day. So I told her, I said, I don't want to hold you up. She said today is grocery day. So I told her I'd get her out of here as soon as we could. All right. All right. So Miss Lewis, I'm going to put you in the breakout room now. Officer Robinson Wade did appear. Now, I don't know where he went, but he appeared. So I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Miss Paris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Well, Miss Murphy, I'm sorry. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
We'll pass the matter. Are we ready on him?
Yes, Judge.
Where's your colleague?
Reese?
No, Whitey.
Oh, he was stuck in Troy for a moment, so he's trying to get down here as soon as he can, but I'll give him another text.
All right, please.
Absolutely.
All right. He popped in here, but he left.
He's always impatient. He's always moving way too fast for himself.
I know.
Did he have officers on his case?
This case he did. On all the cases that are on you guys, right, there was officers. City of Detroit versus Jose Godoy Bermudez, case number SP 1913666, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra José Adonai Godoy Bermúdez, número de caso SP 1913-666, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Mi nombre es José Adonai Godoy Bermúdez.
My name is José Adonai Godoy Bermúdez.
And Attorney Frank Casaria, P. Inquiry on behalf of Mr. Godoy Bermudez.
Y representándolo habla el abogado Frank Mastaria, número de abogado P87848.
All right, good morning to everyone. Today is the date and time, and it's set for a trial. Is Officer Ozzy? He did appear. He did let me know that he had court in other courtrooms.
Buenos días a todos. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener un juicio. En este caso, el policía, el señor Asi, sí se presentó esta mañana. Nos dejó saber que él tenía que pasar a otra sala del tribunal, pero él sí se registró como persona que está compareciendo.
Have you worked it out, counselor?
Yes,
¿Han llegado a una resolución, abogado?
We'll be accepting the people's offer.
Sí, vamos a aceptar la oferta de la fiscalía.
Efforts to amend the reckless driving charge to careless driving and dismiss the open alcohol drug.
Es decir, el cargo de que estaba manejando de manera imprudente va a quedar modificado a que estaba manejando sin cuidado. El cargo que tiene que ver con alcohol queda desestimado.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Godoy Bermudez?
Y señor Godoy Bermúdez, ¿usted quiere aceptar esta oferta de resolución?
Sí, señor.
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Y abogado, ¿puede usted estipular que yo puedo depender de lo que dice la boleta de infracción para establecer un fundamento para la declaración de él?
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Y puede usted estipular de que hay causa razonable para desestimar el otro asunto. Así lo estipulo.
All right, I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of careless driving. $210. When can you pay it, Mr. Godoy Bermudez?
Muy bien, así que voy a aceptar su declaración de responsable al cargo modificado que estaba manejando sin cuidado. La multa es $210. ¿Para cuándo pudiera pagar usted este monto?
Para mañana, viernes.
I can pay it tomorrow, Friday.
All right, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, I do wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Muy bien, pues entonces usted páguelo en persona si pasa aquí a la corte, o lo puede pagar si va a cualquiera de los kioscos que se llaman DivDat en la ciudad de Detroit. Me han dicho que uno hasta puede poner el app de DivDat por el teléfono. Son las dos mejores maneras para uno alcanzar a pagar. Si no tiene algo que agregar, señor, le quiero desear todo lo mejor y que tenga buen día.
Muchas gracias, es todo. Bendiciones.
Thank you very much. That's it. Many blessings.
You as well.
Y a usted también.
You want to handle this for your Mr. Whitey?
I have reviewed any of the discovery for the case, Judge, so I wouldn't be able to hop on that easily. I do apologize. I'll make sure to contact him now.
Okay.
I've looked at the case, I definitely.
All right, I understand. All right, Ms. Lewis, you need to speak with Ms. Till as well, right?
Right,
Yes.
Judge. I jumped into the Miss Till's meeting with Mr. Golson and I informed her that there was someone else waiting for her.
And you heard what I had to say. That applied to you too, Ms. Lewis, all right?
Yes.
Let's go back on the record with Miss Donna Gray. Ms. Gray, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is prepared to waive her right to trial, and she will be entering a plea and ticket ending in 5283, originally speeding 16 to 20 over. She'll be pleading responsible, and we're asking the court to amend that to speeding limited access 1 to 5. The remaining 3 tickets are to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
I'll stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Find your client responsible as to the amended count of limited access 1 to 5, $125. When can you pay it, Ms. Gray?
I could pay it in 2 weeks, Your Honor.
Pay it by September the 11th, okay? Pay it
Yes.
in any kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it, Ms. Gray. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best
Thank
of
you, Your
luck
Honor.
to you.
Thank
You're
you so
welcome.
much. And bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, so we're waiting on Mr. Whitey and then the rest of the defendants here. Lewis. Zoom in from what you call it. Oh, Hernandez, where's Hernandez? She's here. Mr. Ferry, Mr. Ferry, this is a case that she missed yesterday. City of Detroit versus Johanna Hernandez, case number SP 193479111. Appearance for the record, please.
Gerald Ferry, House Counsel P44630 on behalf of Mr. Hernandez.
Miss
Madam,
Hernandez.
oh, Miss.
Yeah,
Does she need an interpreter?
No.
I don't.
Oh, I apologize. Miss Hernandez, could you please state your full name, please?
Yes, Joana Argueta Hernandez.
All right. Today is the day, we'll call today the date and time set for what was it set for yesterday?
Not sure.
I got it. I was just talking out loud.
Yeah.
An arraignment, for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Your Honor, purposes of arraignment, we would waive the form of reading and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. It's a no insurance misdemeanor. That's all she's got. No insurance misdemeanor. Let me see here. I'm going to put you in the breakout room, Ms. Hernandez, with Mr. Ferry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Did I get Emilio Lopez's file?
No, the file's here.
Emiliano.
Yeah.
I'm gonna step and I'll give you the host.
Okay.
I'll join in. Mark Chambers. Your host now, right?
Yep. Yes, I am.
Are we ready on anyone?
I am ready on Mr. Golson, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Golson, Big Dolph. That's his handle. That's his handle, Miss Till. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Golson. Mr. Golson, have you had a good conversation with Miss Till?
I have.
All right, very good, very good. All right. So I'll just reiterate, is he gonna be a part of the program, Miss Till?
Yes, he is. He sounds like the ideal candidate for our program. I explained what we're doing. He seems really enthused, and ready to get started. So for Mr. Golson, I'm gonna ask for that return date of 10/6, if that is still available.
Yes, it is.
All right, then we'll go ahead and
6. I'll tell you what happened when I first got with street court. They had a gentleman, I forget his name now, but he came on every time. He had his action plan, and he got through, and he followed through, and his dream was to be a correction officer. So when he came back, he just zoomed in one day and he asked me, or he sent me an email. He asked me, could I write a letter of recommendation for him? And at first I said, no, I don't know you like that, right? And then he said, well, then I thought about it though. I said, wait a minute, I've seen this gentleman go through the most troubling times of his life. He comes to court, he appeared every time, he handled this. I said, you know something, I'm gonna do it. And I wrote him that letter of recommendation. He comes back, he got the job, everything. So like I say, I believe in their program, and I hope it'll work for you. I just want to make sure that when you come in here next time, have some good news and be in a better situation than you are now. And even if that's just, if you feel it's a small gain, because what I always say too is, and I'll let you go after this, and this to you, Miss Lewis, as well, is that we always harp on the problems and the bad things and the failures. We got to celebrate the wins. All right, we got to celebrate the wins and take time and celebrate those wins, because a win is a win. I don't care how small or think of insignificant some people may think it is a win. So let's start to do that. So let's get some wins, and I'll see you next time, Mr. Randolph Big Dolph Golson. All right.
And that's 10/6, right?
10/6 at 8:30. Best of luck to you.
All righty. Thank y'all. Thank you, Miss Till. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
All right, thank you. Take care.
All right.
Let's go back on the record with Miss Charity Lewis. Now, Miss Charity Lewis was set for trial. I know that I don't believe that Miss Horn will have any issue with rescheduling this. Where is the well, I don't know if the officer was even recollect or what, but she's joined the street court program. Is that correct?
I have not had a chance to speak with her yet. If I can, I just wanted to take care of Mr. Golson and get him out of here. And
All
then
right, let's pass the matter. Miss Lewis, let's go get you a chance to speak with Miss Till, okay? Join breakout room 8. All right, let's go and recall the city of Detroit versus Randy Lankwa, case number SP180-41721, SP191-4654, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please. Is that Miss Paris? Or does she leave me again? Okay.
That is Miss Paris, Judge, but if these are dismissals, I'd be happy to stand in.
Yeah, I guess we'll just wait on her.
Okay.
You know, because I don't know why they said it or not.
Right.
All right, give me a minute, Mr. Lankwa.
Yep, and Your Honor, compliance.
Okay, let's just go back on the record with Mr. Lankwa. I'll dismiss the case. I'll say per city attorney. All right, Mr. Lankwa, you still owe some money, 175, and 126. Those were old blocking traffics, 2 of them, and a seatbelt ticket. If there's nothing further, sir, that's Ms. Paris's cases, all right?
All
Ms.
right.
Paris, you want to put your
And-
appearance on the record?
Sure, Your Honor.
Tamika
Thank
Horner.
you.
I'm not sure.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did you say Miss Paris or Miss Horn?
No, Ms.
I
Paris.
Oh, Cynthia Paris, PA 8615, here on behalf of Mr. Langqua.
All right, case dismissed per city attorney.
And on the open alcohol, Your Honor, with Officer Brown, there was no recollection.
Oh, okay, so we have SP 18041721 dismiss, no recollection. And then on SP 1914654 2 and 3 dismiss because of documents.
Yes, compliance and the allowing, you know, he didn't know this person wasn't licensed.
Best of luck. All right, have a good day, Mr. Langwell.
Yes,
Madam
sir.
Prosecutor.
Yeah, you're
One
welcome.
question. You said I got 3 tickets on me.
Yep, 3. 2 blocking traffics and 1 seatbelt ticket that you never paid. 175, 175, 126.
Can I come down there and start a payment plan up with them?
Absolutely. You don't need my permission because they're civil infractions, but I would have given it to you anyway.
Yes, sir.
All right, best of luck to you, Mr. Lang.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
My apologies, Your Honor. Can I get either co-host abilities or my breakout room changed to 8?
Certainly. I can't give you co-host abilities, but I can get you to breakout room 8.
Perfect.
Oh, I didn't realize Officer Saylor was here.
Yes.
And Miss Paris, that changes things. I'll talk to him first and see what the position is.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. And Officer Saylor, I'll meet you in room 1. If you can join that room.
Madam Clerk.
Yes.
Yes, I need to put a plea on the record and Judge Nance Adams. I'm gonna do that and come right back while she's working out this issue with this other officer.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
And Officer Saylor, are you there? Can you rejoin room 1? Okay, there we go.
Judge step off the bench.
He is in chambers, so he's doing Zoom from the chambers now.
Got it. I took over Dennis's case, the Emiliano
Okay.
Lopez monitor.
Okay.
So he did that.
Are we ready on Hernandez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Hernandez. Ms. Hernandez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is prepared to waive her rights. She will be entering a plea as charged. That's to be amended to an improper plate.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Hernandez?
Yes.
You don't, is this your vehicle?
It's my father's.
Well, there's an issue right there, right, Mr. Ferry? The statute says that she's not required to get insurance on a vehicle that's not hers. So if it is her father's, like she's alleging, then we wouldn't be able to take the plea for this because that's why the laws provide for a no insurance civil infraction where she would have to present insurance upon ask, but she's not required to put insurance on a vehicle that is not hers.
I was unaware of that, Your Honor. If the court would like, if I could speak with the city and we could maybe still resolve this, if the court could give me, or I see Ms. Horn here now. I don't know if she was listening to Your Honor, but.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303. As Your Honor stated, yes, the statute provides any owner or registrant of a vehicle must carry security on the vehicle or insurance. If this is not her car, she is not obligated to do that. So the people will move for dismissal with your stipulation.
I have no objection, Your Honor, and I would so stipulate.
All right, if it's nothing further, ma'am, case is dismissed. Have a very good rest of your day, but you still need to present the insurance if the officer asks you for the insurance. So that doesn't totally absolve you from having to present the insurance, okay?
Okay,
Make
thank
sure
you.
before you get in the car, next time, whoever car it is, they have valid insurance, all right?
Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you, you too.
Well, somebody was on the telephone that we lost them. iPhone. Unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please.
Good morning, Dejan Lee.
Dejan Lee.
Yes.
Why are you so late?
On here to say I'm supposed to have court at 1:30.
Oh, so you were early. Dejan, spell your first name.
Daijoun.
He is on the afternoon docket.
All right. City of Detroit versus Dejan Marcel Lee, case number SP 193-67261, SP 193-67351. Appearance for the record, please.
Gerald Ferry, House Counsel P44630 on behalf of Dejan Lee. Mr. Lee, it's Mr. Lee, correct? State your name, please.
Dejan Lee.
All right, good morning to you. Good morning to you. It's supposed to be on the afternoon docket. This is let me think it's a expired plate and a let me see. Let me put it back up.
The no insurance misdemeanor and expired plate.
An expired plate. If you can get them an updated offer, you can. If you can't, we'll give them a pretrial date. All right.
That's fine, Judge. If you want to put him in breakout room 2, I can talk to him.
All right, go ahead, Mr. Lee. Join breakout room 2. Speak to Mr. Ferry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. We'll pass.
Your Honor, Attorney Masseria is going to stand in for Attorney Whitey.
All right, very good. This is the city of Detroit versus Emiliano Lopez Monte. Case number Z8-100931. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Emiliano López Monter, número de caso Z8100931. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Good morning again, Judge Frank Masseria, P8748, standing in for Attorney Dennis Whitey.
Y buenos días de nuevo, su señoría. Soy Frank Massaria, representando al acusado P87848 y representando al abogado Whitey.
All right, Mr. Lopez, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Y buenos días usted, señor López. ¿Nos pudiera decir su nombre, por favor?
Emiliano López Monter.
Emiliano López Monter.
All right, and Officer David Gutierrez, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Sí, y oficial David Gutiérrez, por favor, ¿puede decirnos usted su nombre, su
Officer
departamento?
David Gutierrez, badge 2636. Good morning, Your Honor.
Hablando el oficial Gutiérrez, número de chapa 2636. Buenos días, su señoría.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time is set for a trial. What does your client want to do, Mr. Massaria?
Buenos días, usted. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener un juicio. ¿Y qué es lo que quiere hacer su cliente, señor Massaria?
At this time, Judge, we will be pleading to the operating while disorderly impaired charge.
En este momento, su señoría, vamos a presentar una declaración de culpable a estar manejando con su habilidad deteriorada visiblemente.
You want to take the deal, sir?
¿Y usted quiere aceptar esta oferta de resolución, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede usted levantar su mano derecha, por favor?
Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down.
Ya puede bajar la mano.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 a fine, along with other driver's license sanctions?
¿Y comprende usted que la penalidad máxima en este caso pudieran ser 93 días en la cárcel y o una multa de $500 máximo, más sanciones que le puede dar la Secretaría del Estado? ¿Comprende usted eso?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de llevar este caso a juicio?
Sí.
Yes. Mr. Your attorneys went over your other advice or rights at some point during the pendency of this case, did they not?
Y en algún momento, mientras este caso ha estado pendiente, sus abogados le han dejado saber usted cuáles son sus derechos constitucionales, ¿no es cierto?
Sí.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted comprendió sus derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
¿Y tiene usted alguna pregunta acerca de sus derechos?
No, está bien.
No, it's okay.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Y sabe usted que al aceptar esta oferta de resolución, usted renuncia a esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido usted algo diferente de lo que ya hemos hablado en el acta?
No.
No.
Now, let me draw your attention back to February 15th, 2026, around 2:06 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Central and Michigan Avenue. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Entonces, permíteme llamarle la atención a la fecha del 15 de febrero del 2026, aproximadamente a las 2:06 de la madrugada, en la ciudad de Detroit, en el área de las calles de Central y Michigan. En ese momento, ese día, ¿tuvo usted ocasión de encontrarse con un policía del Departamento de Policía de la ciudad de Detroit?
Sí,
Yes.
And were you operating a motor vehicle?
Y en ese momento, ¿iba usted manejando un vehículo motorizado?
sí.
Yes.
Did you have some alcohol prior to or during the operation of that motor vehicle?
¿Y usted había tomado alcohol o antes o durante iba manejando el vehículo?
Antes.
Before.
And how much alcohol did you have?
¿Y qué cantidad de alcohol había tomado usted?
No recuerdo, pero sí había tomado un poco de...
I don't
un
remember,
poco.
but yes, I had something to drink.
What were you drinking on that day?
¿Qué estaba usted tomando ese día?
Tequila.
Tequila.
I do not have a data master result or any lab result in the file, Mr. Saria.
Yes.
Señor Masaria, yo no tengo aquí en el expediente de él algún resultado de pruebas o de algún laboratorio.
Yes, Judge. For the purposes of the plea, we'll be stipulating to the intoxicant result of 0.19.
Sí, su señoría, y para el propósito de esta declaración vamos a estipular que la cantidad de alcohol en la sangre era 0.19.
Did you say, Mr. Lopez, that tequila that you drank affected your ability to properly operate this vehicle?
Y diré usted, señor López Monter, que su consumo de este tequila afectó a su habilidad de poder manejar este vehículo.
Un poco, no mucho, un poco. Pero porque estaba en casa de mi hermano y como estaba algo caliente en la casa, me salí afuera.
A little bit. And I was at my brother's house. I had stepped outside.
All right, I'm gonna find you guilty as to the amended count of operating while visibly impaired. Well, as charged, I'm gonna find you guilty as charged.
Muy bien, entonces voy a aceptar su declaración. Acepto la declaración de culpable al cargo modificado. No modificado, tal como ha sido acusado.
Okay.
Okay.
Sentencing will be on October the 5th. What is today? No. Yeah, October the 5th, 2026 at 10 a.m.
Y el día para imponer la sentencia va a ser el 5 de octubre del 2026 a las 10 de la mañana.
¿Cuándo sería?
When is
Perdón.
that again? Excuse me.
I'm gonna sentence you on October the 5th at 10 a.m. I need you to, probation is gonna contact you for a pre-sentence investigation report. I need to get that report, so you have to make sure you answer the call from probation, okay?
Le dije el 5 de octubre a las 10 de la mañana. El Departamento de Libertad Condicional Probatoria tienen que primero hacerle una entrevista a usted. Yo necesito recibir esa entrevista que se hace previa a la sentencia para poder decidir la sentencia. Así que usted conteste las llamadas que le entren a su teléfono, aunque no las reconozca, porque puede que sea alguien del Departamento de Libertad Condicional llamándole a usted para hacer la fecha.
Hoy no me podría mandar una nota a la casa que llegue, porque luego como yo trabajo en construcción y ando manejando máquina y eso no se escucha nada.
Oh, and couldn't I just get a notice sent to the house because I'm always driving about. I do construction work and I can't always hear well.
No, you're gonna have to answer the calls this time.
No, señor, para esta ocasión usted va a necesitar contestar la llamada que le entre.
Because I don't know when they're gonna call you.
Porque yo no tengo idea de cuándo es que lo van a llamar usted.
Oh, ¿y no puedo llamar yo?
Oh, and could I call them?
Well, you can try 313-965-3414.
Bueno, usted puede tratar de llamarlos. El número es 313
A ver, disculpe.
Just a minute, I'm sorry.
313.
Yes,
Ujú,
313,
ujú,
313, 965,
ujú.
3414. Repito, 313, 965, 3414.
Okay.
Okay.
Ujú.
All right.
Mhm.
All right, and all other, you're still gonna be testing, all of the bond conditions remain in place. Come back on October the 6th at 10 a.m. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Your Honor, October 6th.
October 5th, I'm sorry, October 5th, I'm sorry.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Así que,
Disculpe.
señor, un momento.
Disculpe, me lo podría dar como a fines de octubre porque es cuando ya se me acaba mi trabajo y ya puedo ir, ya puedo tomar todo el día completo porque estoy pidiendo muchos permisos en el trabajo y ya no me los quieren dar.
Excuse me, but is it possible for me to have a court date at the end of October? Because that's about the time when work really slows down. I'm having a problem because I've asked for so many days off.
O noviembre.
That's just gonna
Or
prolong
November.
it more for you, sir, but I can give you a date in October. He's already pled.
Sí, señor, ya usted presentó su declaración de culpable. Le podemos dar una fecha para fines de octubre.
Ok, está bien.
Okay, that's fine.
Come on, October the 26th.
Regrese
Está
a la
bien.
corte el 26 de octubre. Mientras tanto, usted siga haciéndose sus pruebas y las condiciones de su fianza continúan. Your Honor, I was able to finally let him do what you had said earlier.
Incluso ahorita voy a hacerme la prueba porque tengo que ir.
Okay, then I need to leave, but I am going to go have testing done today.
Wait a
Sorry,
minute.
Judge,
You don't tell me when you need to leave, sir. I'm gonna make sure. What date was he? Was that the 26th? Did you want to come back on the 26th?
Bueno, señor, yo sé que usted se tiene que ir, pero primero tenemos que estar claros que quedamos con una fecha. Usted entendió
Sí.
el 26 de octubre. ¿Puede venir el 26 de octubre?
Sí, sí.
Yes, yes.
All right, October 26th at 10 a.m.
Muy bien, así que regrese el 26 de octubre a las 10 de la mañana.
En todas las pruebas del alcohol me las tengo que hacer cada semana que me toca igual.
And so I have to continue doing my testing for alcohol every week, the same as
Yes.
before? Sí.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Attorney Masseria has been trying to say something. Go ahead.
Thank you, Madam Clerk.
Su señoría, el abogado Masari ha estado tratando de decir algo. Adelante.
Attorney Dennis Whitty has a jury trial starting that day. Could we do that Wednesday, the 28th?
Tengo un juicio el día del 26. ¿Pudiéramos cambiar la fecha a la fecha del 28?
You can go to October the 30th.
Podemos hasta darle hasta el 30 de octubre.
Or the 29th.
O el 29, abogado.
Attorney Whitty would work on the 29th. That would be perfect.
Si pudiera yo regresar el 29, sería perfecto.
All right, October the 29th. Have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you all.
Así que entonces es el 29 de octubre. That applies to the defendant, right, Your Honor?
And Officer Gutierrez, be safe.
Sí, regrese usted
Thank you, Your
el
Honor.
29 de octubre y le pido al oficial que se mantenga seguro y gracias, su señoría.
All right, Ms. Villarreal, if there's nothing further,
I don't believe so.
I wish you the best of luck. Sorry you had to stay all morning.
Oh, that's fine, Your Honor. It's always a pleasure to be in your courtroom.
¿Es okay? ¿Es todo?
¿Perdón?
¿Es todo?
Yes.
Is that it?
Yes.
Sí.
Ok, gracias. Que tenga
Have a
bonito
good
día.
day.
Okay, thank you and have a good day.
All right.
And Your Honor, those results are in the court's file. I just handed over to Madam Clerk, the data master results or intoxilizer. Okay,
Very
thanks.
well. All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Charity Lewis. All right, Miss Villarreal, see you later. Let's go back on the record with Miss Charity Lewis. Ms. Till.
Good.
Go ahead.
Good morning, Your Honor. Felicity Till, PA 3961, appearing on behalf of Charity Lewis, who is also present via Zoom. Ms. Lewis, can you please state your full name for the record?
Charity Lewis.
Thank you. Your Honor, Ms. Lewis is an excellent candidate for the program. She's already started doing some of the things that we would expect of a street court participant, so she's well on her way. I believe with the guidance of the program, she will do an excellent job. So with that being said, Ms. Lewis, we are requesting a adjournment of the pretrial until October 6th of 26 at 8:30.
All right. Ms. Lewis, you heard everything I said, all right?
Yes.
I think she would be an excellent candidate as well, because first and foremost, Ms. Lewis is so regimented that she has a grocery day. I need to get me a grocery day, Miss Lewis. Because I'll tell you what my father always told me. He says, if you go to the grocery store on a set day once a week or twice a week, once every 2 weeks, and do all your shopping, he says, you spend a lot less money than going every day to that grocery store. And I used to do it, and he was right. And then just because of that, I'm going to get me a grocery day again, Miss Lewis, all right?
I learned because I got 3 growing boys. It's like they eat so much. I'm like,
yes, you gotta. Hey, I'm telling you. And then the price of groceries has not gone down.
no, not at all.
Listen, Miss Lewis, I do wish you the best of luck. I will be praying for you, ma'am, and your family. If one of you give me some good news when you come back, okay?
Okay.
You know what's getting better. All right.
Thank you.
All right, October 6th, 2026 at 8:30. Best of luck to you. We don't want to hold her up because she got her groceries to do.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. Ms.
right.
Lewis, I'll text you that date and you're free to go.
All right, best of luck to you.
Bye-bye.
Okay, what happened to Miss Hernandez? Oh, that one's gone. Everybody, that's it. Is that it?
Not quite, Your Honor.
Oh, Gladden.
I have a Dejan Lee.
Where's
that-
Mr. Lee?
Well, he's the gentleman who is coming at 1:30 for an arraignment. I've been trying to get Miss Horn's attention to work out an offer, but I think Miss Horn's tied up talking to the officers. So
I don't see Mr. Lee at all, though.
oh, he's in breakout. Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah, he's there. He's there. He's there. He's there. She'll be back.
Yeah, he's on the iPhone, Judge.
She'll be back.
Okay.
All right.
It looks like she's in room 1.
I don't really want to interrupt her. It looks like she's talking to an officer. You think I should just go in? I don't want to upset anybody.
No, I think you'll probably be all right. I don't think we only have one other person left here, so I don't.
Your Honor, am I still needed for Gladden?
I believe they're having. If you're talking to Miss Horn, I don't know if they're going to work it out or ask for a trial or not.
I believe they were asking for an adjournment.
Well, let's see. I know Attorney Paris is not here yet.
She's texted me. She had to go to a different.
She came back. I know she came. She had to step out. Give me a second, Officer Mitchell.
Yes, sir.
Let me ask you this, Officer Mitchell. Does Ms. Horn have your contact information?
Yes, she does.
All right, you can go ahead and go.
Thank you, sir.
All right, be safe out there.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Oh, Miss Horn. if you're monitoring?
Yes.
Can I speak to you real quick in a breakout room?
I've got to dodge real quick. I got to take a quick break. I'll be right back.
All right.
Okay. And for Miss Gladden, I'm waiting on your attorney, and I want to go and Miss Murphy, if you can, if you're here, I just want to make sure I go on the record with Miss Paris. I'll be back. I just got to take a quick break. I'll be right back. Miss Gladden, your attorney's on the way. She just texted me. She's wrapping up another thing, and she'll be right over.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Ferry, I'll go in room 4 if it's quick. I can't hear you. I'm just going there.
Your Honor, are you there?
I am.
I just have to step away for 1 second. I'm letting you know.
Very good. Thank you.
You. I'm back.
Okay. Are we ready on Gladden? Ms. Paris,
Yes, Your Honor.
are we ready on Gladden?
I am, Attorney Horn said that she wanted to go on the record also, so She said she was back, which is why I came back. I'm not sure if she's in a breakout
She
room
stepped
maybe.
away for a second.
Okay.
Oh, she did go to the breakout room, but I think she stepped away for a second.
Okay. Yep. She just texted me and said she's back. So whenever she's ready, I'm ready.
Yeah, she's in the breakout room too with Attorney Ferry right now, so I'm sure she'll be out in a moment.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
You can go in the breakout room. Oh, you're just waiting on her to come out to put it on.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. She needed to speak with Officer Saylor and
What are we
nothing
trying to
changed.
do?
Yeah, so the formal hearing is set for the fair to use to caution. I was not provided that matter when I was appointed, and so I didn't, and it shows is disposed on the ROA. So we're asking to reset the formal hearing so that I can do a FOIA request on it to actually prepare. And then for the other matters regarding the defective equipment, no insurance, and open alcohol, we agreed to adjourn it because the officer did appear and advise her that OWI is pending and it is forthcoming. And so just to do a global resolution on that one, but she said that she wanted to go on the record too for it.
Okay.
And thank you, Your Honor. And our 130 that came in early, that will be a dismissal for compliance.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Golden. Miss Gladden, I'm sorry, Miss Gladden. Miss Gladden, I've given you the opportunity to speak to counsel. Miss Parrish, did you ever put your appearance on the record for Miss Gladden?
I don't remember to err on the side of caution. Shania Parrott, P88615 here on behalf of Sharnice Gladden. Ms. Gladden, state your full name for me.
Sharnice Gladden.
And Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303.
All right, day, date, and time, and it's set for a trial. I did have officers that appeared. I think every officer appeared.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, so you wanted adjournment.
Yes, Your Honor.
And your position, Ms. Horn?
No objection to the case with Nari Mitchell. There is a pending OWI with those cases that has not been processed. So in order to have a global resolution or trial, that we need to have that come in and allow Ms. Parrish to get discovery on those.
All right. So we're going to set a pretrial date for 9/17/2026 at 8:30.
And Your Honor, the people are moving for dismissal of Halim Sailor's ticket ending in 9311 and 0831.
9311.
Yes, Your Honor, no insurance misdemeanor.
And then the what are the other one?
0831 expired plates.
I got it. All right. And the rest of them are going to be a pretrial for 9/17.
I believe the ticket with Trooper Tyler, it wasn't on the docket, and Miss Parrish didn't have notice of the ticket, so is not prepared to move forward.
Trooper Tyler, that's the SX 46795481, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and what are we gonna do with that one?
Ms. Parrish?
She asked.
Yes, Your Honor.
She asked for that to go. That's what you're asking me for off the record, Ms.
I was explaining that we are seeking an adjournment for that one. So if we're going to, I have to do a FOIA request, and I know sometimes they take a little longer than 2 to 3 weeks. So if we can set that one 30 days out to make sure that I do have the information from the report, because my client is indicating that she is not the right person that was ticketed. So I would need that to resolve it.
So what is your position on that, Ms. Horn?
The people have no objection.
All right. So all the other matters will go back on September the 17th, and then that should get your FOIA request in, and then if we have to have a trial, it'll be after that.
Okay, so just to confirm, everything is moved to a pretrial on September 17th.
Except for the cases that the city was willing to dismiss.
Right.
Yes,
Okay, thank you, Judge.
you're
And
welcome.
thank you, Madam Prosecutor.
You're welcome. Thank you.
All right, best of luck to you, Ms. Gladden. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lee. Is Mr. Lee there?
He should be, yes, Your Honor. Mr. Lee, unmute.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the city's dismissing the cases for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
And you have a blessed day too.
All right, thank you. Okay, that will, if you go to the more button, Ms. Schmidt, and you